Hearing strange noises while juicing? Try this first. If your Ninja cold press juicer sounds louder than usual or makes weird grinding noises, here's what to check before assuming something's broken. 1. Cut produce into smaller pieces. Hard fruits and veggies like carrots or apples can strain the auger if left in large chunks. Chop everything into smaller sections. This puts less stress on the motor and keeps the sound smooth. 2. Don't overload the feed chute. Pushing too much food in at once can make the motor vibrate or rattle. Feed ingredients one small handful at a time and let it work through gradually. 3. Make sure the filter and auger are seated correctly. If either part is off-center or not locked in, it can scrape against the housing. Take them out and reseat both until they drop in flush and click into place. 4. Check for dried pulp or debris under the filter. Sometimes leftover pulp hardens underneath and throws the spin off balance. Use a narrow, soft brush to clear out dried pulp from the base. I've linked the one I use below. It's gentle but gets into tight areas easily. If the noise improves after that, you're good to go. If not, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. They can help you out. And while you're down there, check the brush I use. It's soft, precise, and makes cleanup way faster.